Hi, I'm going to show you how fast Noah can solve a Rubik's Cube. So first I'm going to show you that it's truly mixed up. He's been mixing it up for a few minutes on his own, but I will do extra just to show how that it's truly mixed up. So I believe, as you see, it's very random at this point, and I'm going to turn it over to Noah so you can watch him solve it. Okay, Noah. Ready, set, go. So the Rubik's Cube has been completely solved in well under 2 minutes. He shows you every side. In addition to solving it, he's able to make patterns within it. And after he makes patterns, it's relatively easy for him to revert it back to being completely solved. Any way you cut it, it's amazing.